There are days that I want to get drenched in the rain. I want to feel the rain pelting on my face, my body. And today is one of those days. You know, today I just want to feel alive in this rain and experience the wonders that nature has to offer. And you gotta try it sometimes, just so that you get out of the monotony of doing everything as it is. Maybe today is one of those days that I can walk in the rain and cry my heart out and let my feelings be heard by the universe, as well as enjoy the cooling pelting of the rain. Perhaps it is to cleanse my soul, to cleanse me. I just forgot to bring down the bar of soap. But anyway, do something different every day. Try it out. Shock your system, rock your boat, whatever it is. Enjoy life. I'm Jeffrey. I'm a pathfinder. Peace out.